So before we start answering to the question, let's understand what is a fraction. So a fraction means part of a whole or part of a group. So which has a numerator and then a denominator and a division line in between. So what is this denominator? The denominator represents the total number of equal parts in one whole. If it's a circle, or if it's a square, if it's a rectangle, doesn't matter how many total number of equal parts are in one whole. That is the denominator. And the numerator represents the part that we are talking about. So let's say, for example, look at this circle, and this circle is cut into two equal parts. So our denominator would be 2 right here. And what would be the numerator? The numerator is the part that we are talking about, which is the shaded part right here, which is just 1. So the fraction is represented as 1/2. The fraction of this shaded part is just 1/2. So now let's start understanding our scenario. So we use an example to understand the question and to find the answer to that question. That is 1/4 plus 1/4. When you add two fractions, you're not adding the denominators. You just add the numerators. But when you multiply two fractions, you multiply both numerators and the denominators. And why do we do that? Do you understand that? Let's understand two scenarios. In the scenario 1, Maria invites 3 of her friends, Amy, Mia, and Anna, to a pizza party and orders 1 large pizza. What is the fraction of pizza Maria and Anna together would get? So this question right here is a simple addition problem. For that, we have to first find out what is the fraction of pizza Maria would get, and then what is the fraction of pizza Anna would get. So let's just visualize. Let's say the circle represents 1 pizza. Now, including Maria, there are 4 people. So Maria, Amy, Mia, and Anna. There are 4 people. So we have to divide the pizza into 4 equal parts. And what is the fraction of pizza Maria is going to get? So each one is going to get, let's say, like we talked here, our numerator would be the part that we are talking about. That means each one is going to get one of these 4 slices. So Maria is going to get 1/4. Amy would get 1/4. Mia would get 1/4, and Anna is going to get 1/4. And now our question is, what is the fraction of pizza Maria and Anna together would get? So that would be 1/4 plus another 1/4. So this is what Maria is going to get. Let's say this is Maria is going to get 1/4, and Anna is going to get another 1/4. So together they will get, so we add this slice right here and this one together. So now here we have 2 slices. And what is the total number of equal parts in this pizza? Which is still the same, because we're not cutting the whole pizza into another number of parts, because the denominator is going to remain the same in this question. So you just add 1 and another 1. So our answer would be 2/4. So now you know why the denominator did not change when you added 2 fractions of same denominator, because the total number of equal parts in the resulting fraction or in the resulting pizza is also the same, which is 4. Now let's look at another scenario. We'll extend the scenario. Now Maria saves her slice for later. So the rest of them had their pizzas, their slices. So unexpectedly, 3 more friends joined the party. So Maria decides to share her slice. Now, what fraction of pizza Maria will get? Okay, now this is another question, okay? Now, the only part that is left is Maria's. That is the 1/4 of the slice. So now another 3 joins. That means now there are another 4 of them. So now Maria wants to share her slice, that is the 1/4 slice of a pizza, with the other 3 friends. So how much each one is going to get? Now, again, we have four people to share that 1/4. So it would be 1/4 of 1/4. Let's look at this diagram right here. So we split this 1/4 into 4 equal parts again. So each friend would get one slice of this. That is 1/4 of 1/4. Now, how can we represent this 1/4 of this 1/4 as a fraction? We cannot represent it as a fraction unless we divide this whole pizza into similar equal parts, right? So each part should be of same size, which is this much. So if we cut each fourth into another fourth, so this one is cut into 4 equal parts, this fourth is cut into 4 equal parts, and this fourth is cut into 4 equal parts. Now, how much of equal parts do we have right now? So we have now 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4, which is 4 times 4. So our denominator is going to be the total number of equal parts in one whole pizza now would be 4 times 4. And what is the fraction that Maria is going to get? It's just on the top, 1 times 1. So that is equal to 1/16. So now you know why we multiply both numerators and denominators when you're multiplying two fractions. But at the same time, if you're adding two fractions, you don't multiply the denominator. You do not add the denominators.